Today, we are going to have our Igbo lesson class. Taa, anyị ga-enwe ọmụmụ asụsụ Igbo. So, if you are new to this channel, I pray you get along, and I want to say I appreciate you for clicking. Since I am an Igbo, and I have been trying to get my children going, and so I have found doing video to help them out as a very good tool, and it has been helping. There are other videos in the description or in my video that I do, but if you look well, I will always tag the Igbo. Okay, let me even get on with the lesson first. Today, we are going to learn Igbo conversation in the question way. Tata, anyị ga-amụ asụsụ Igbo n'ụzọ ịjụ ajụjụ. N'ụzọ ịjụ ajụjụ. Anyị ga-amụ asụsụ Igbo n'ụzọ ịjụ ajụjụ. This particular section is important to me because my son, I traveled home with my son, so he was in the midst of his friend, and he don't actually know how to tell them what he wants because he has to ask the question. Watch out for the tone. Watch out for the way we phrase question in the area of traveling. First one is ebe ka ineje. Ebe ka ineje. Ebe ka ineje means where are you going? So if you are going to Lagos, you say Anameje Lagos. Ebe ka ineje means where are you going? Kedu ụgbọala nke na-aga Lagos? Kedu ụgbọala nke na-aga Lagos? Which bus is heading to Lagos? Or which motor is boarding to Lagos? Ego ole ka ụgbọala na-ana? Ego ole ka ụgbọala na-ana? Or ego ole ka njem a pụtara? Ego ole ka njem a pụtara? Njem a. Ego ole ka njem a? Ka njem a, because njem is travel. Ego one or ego ole ka njem a pụtara? So that means how much would this journey cost? Another one would be kedu mgbe anyị ga-eru? Kedu mgbe anyị ga-eru? Kedu mgbe anyị ga-eru means when are we reaching? Or when are we highlighting? Kedu mgbe anyị ga-eru? Ụgbọala a ọ ga-ejekwa ọsịsọ? Meaning, is this bus or is this vehicle gonna be fast enough? Ụgbọala a ọ ga-eru n'oge? So another question would be, ahụ ọ dịkwa ụgbọala a? Ahụ ọ dịkwa ụgbọala a? Is this bus healthy? Is this vehicle healthy? Is this vehicle healthy? Ahụ ọ dịkwa ụgbọala a? Kedu onye na-akpọ ụgbọala a? Who is the driver of this vehicle? Akpa m ọ ga-abatakwa n'ụgbọala a? Akpa m ọ ga-abatakwa n'ụgbọala a? Will my luggage contain in this vehicle? Will my luggage contain in this vehicle? Ụgbọala a ọ na-eje ebe m na-eje? Ụgbọala a ọ na-eje ebe m na-eje? Or ụgbọala a ọ na-aga ebe m na-aga? They are all our dialects. Ọ na-eje ebe m na-eje, ọ na-aga ebe m na-aga. It depends on Anambra, Imo, or Enugu, and so on. That should be enough for today. I've watched my video and discovered that they don't watch it to the end. That's because it's too long. So I want to make it shorter, and watch out for the part B of the question video. Igbo lesson conversation. In this station, one thing is for sure, you will speak Igbo effortlessly. Just take it from me, it's a guarantee. If one of my son is speaking Igbo better than some people in Nigeria, and that is just because I've been doing this. Please subscribe to this channel, and that will make me do more better. Thank you. Kemesia Dalu means thank you. Kemesia means till next time. Kemesia Kodimbosi ozo. See you in my next video, and send me well greetings to your family. Remain blessed. Bye.